Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 5, create custom login forget password from in Laravel 12. My official website www.errorsolutioncode.com, and this is my office number is a paid service call and WhatsApp anytime, contact 24/7 anytime I am available. And first of all, this is my gem server already started, Apache and MySQL. And this my project is available. This is a gem directory. Inside this is a htdoc, and this is a successfully run. And this localhost php admin successfully run. This is a database name. Let's insert this available login screen. This click this login. Inside this is a registration. This registration in previous video is a implement, and this is a forget. This two is a not working login, and forget is a not a working. Let's step by step implementation login and forget. This is a home page means index file. Auth inside this login file is available. Resource view auth, and this is a registration, and this is a index file means list file is available. Sign up in login. This is available signing and login. Let's step by step inside. This is not available. Let's sref url login. This is a login URL is a implement. This is a tag. Tag means get method. Let's same name copy route inside this web.php. Open this inside this implementation login screen. This is a route get, and this is a login, and this is a auth controller. Is a previous video is a already implementation. This created auth controller class, and the same here login. The same function is a login. Let's close this. Let's same name copy. This function name is a copy, and this is a app http controller and auth controller. App http controller and auth controller, and successfully public function in this paste here. And this is a inside this is a login screen is a create. This is a return inside this available view. This is a view inside this available auth folder. This is a folder is a auth folder is a available. Same name is a login file. This is a new file is a create, and this is a close. Let's same name copy inside this is a new file is a create auth login blade PSP successfully create. And this is an let's check. This is a number is a save file, and refresh this page. 100% click this login, and successfully working fine. No other issue. Let's run. Please wait. This is a one issue is available. Wait, otherwise issue to 100% solve. This is a syntax error is available. This syntax error. Let's same here open. Inside this is a file is not a save. Let's file is a save. Successfully file is a save, and refresh this page. 100% is a working fine. This is a good working. Let's again this refresh this page and click this login, and this is a working fine. Same here open. This is a registration inside this is a forget password. This forget password is not working. Let's index file is again open. This is a working fine. This index inside this registration file is available. This file. Let's open inside this available forget password. This login URL is let's implement sref, and this is a same here URL is a login is a already create. Same name is a create login URL login. This is a save file, and again refresh this page. 100% is a successfully this is a working login. This is a good working. Inside this is login is a successfully this number is a print, and inside this is again this welcome page. Inside this 100% is a login. This number is a working fine. All good. Let's registration inside this available forget password. This forget password is not available. Let's forgot is a implementation means only simple forgot, not a forgot password. Only simple and like name is a forgot. This is a forgot password is available. A tag sref URL URL forgot. Successfully, this is a tag, means get method. A tag is implement srf in forgot. Same name is this is a tag inside. This is a route get forgot, and this is a auth controller class, and this is a forgot. Successfully forgot is a successfully implementation, and this is a control is available. Same name forgot, and this is a control is available. Less implementation public function and paste here, and this is a return view, and this is a auth dot forgot. Save file. Successfully forgot is a implementation. Let's same name copy, and inside this is a new file is a create blade PSP, and this is a another number is a implementation. This is a and this forgot. Save file. Successfully forgot, and refresh this page, and this click this forgot password and working fine. This is a successfully implementation. This forgot all good. This is a login, and this is a back button is a click this successfully working. Let's click this login, and this number is available. This number inside this step by step implementation. This is the implementation. This remove. Save file, and black this working fine, and this is a black all good. Let's implementation registration file is open. Inside this is a body tag is the same name copy and paste here login, and last is available. This is a tag same name is a paste here, and this is a login. Save file. Save file, and refresh this page. 100% is a login, and this is a CS is a successfully all implementation. Please check this previous video is a video number is a this number is a 5, only 4 number is a implementation. Please check this 4 number inside this implementation. Login screen means available email and password, only email and password, not a extra one, only email and password. The same name is available. This same name is a copy form inside this all successfully copy, and this is a paste here, and this paste here successfully paste here, and this is the same name is a implementation. This is a name is a same name is a copy and paste here, the same copy, and inside this is a login, inside this paste here, successfully paste all good. This is a login screen is available. Let's save file and refresh this page. This is available signing page. Signing means otherwise join page. Join now. Join now means registration page is already created. This is a registration, and this is a welcome as it is a welcome is a page is a nice, and this forget is a as it is a good working. Let's refresh this page. 100% is a implementation. This is a registration page is a complete is a working. This login page is a 100% working, but inside this implementation email and password, not a extra any field, and this is a name is a sense. This is a name is a login name. Let's step by step implementation. Login page, not a other page. This is simple way is a login page. This form is a working fine. This is a email. This is a email placeholder email, and the same name is a copy email. After this is a name is a copy, and password means lock, LOCK lock password, and this is a placeholder is a password. Save file. Let's refresh this page. 100% is a working. This email and password. this is a successfully login form is a completed. Only this button is a sense, this is a login button, this is a login button is a set, not any other button. The simple way is a login button, this register button is a sense, and this is a simple way is a login button. Let's refresh this page, and this is a successfully working login. Let's click this forget password is a working fine, as it is a working fine. This is a remove, this remove, inside this is a remove is a this number is a remove. Save file, and this is a blank. All good, this is a blank, working fine. Any doubt your mind, so please contact error solution code. We are held to help 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. Inside this lost up tutorial is available, please buy. And this is my YouTube channel. Inside this is available for number 3, number 2, number and 1 number step by step series is available. And this inside this playlist is available, multi auth, super admin and user is a working fine. Lost up is available. Let's back this video again. Inside this same name is a copy, this login file control a copy, and same here inside this paste here, successfully paste, and refresh this page. 100% working file. This forgot name is a implementation step by step forgot password. This is a forgot password, forgot password. First of all, this forgot password, same name is a forgot page. This forgot, inside this is only email, not a available password, this only email. Save file. This is a srf is a login name, login, and this is a login, this login, and this is a join now is available, join now, and this is a welcome page is available, welcome page, and this is a forgot password, forgot password. Save file, successfully all good. This is a working fine. This is a join now. Let's refresh this page. This is a page is a refresh, and 100% is a forget is available, this login, this registration, welcome, and this is a click this login. All good, this forgot, and this login, register and welcome, all pages are available. This register login, so this login is available. Forget, so this title is a forget password is available. Welcome, so this is a official where's Laravel available, and this is last is a this login to login, and registration, so this registration is available, and this successfully all implementation. This is a form, all good. This is a video is a simple way in done, and this public inside this CSS, inside this style, say CSS is available, public CSS in this style, and please write down this URL. Let's scroll down, this URL is write down, please write down this URL. This is a file is available, this is a HTML design is available. Please step by step write down, only simple one file is available, not a extra CSS. This is only simple one style is available, and please contact this style, so please I am send you WhatsApp. This file is a CSS file, this forget file, in this is only simple way, and this simple way is a implementation, and this is a login here, same here, this same file, and same file is a implementation. Please write down, this is all good, successfully all set, and this is a previous video, and this file is a implement. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.